Hi, in this video we're looking at 2018 Leaving Cert Mathematics Ordinary Level Question 6 from paper 1. This is an algebra question, fairly straightforward algebraic solution, so let's get right into it. For part A we have to solve an equation to find the value of x. So as always I'm going to start by simplifying, so multiply the brackets out. From the first bracket we have 3x squared minus 4x plus 15x, and then minus 20. From the second bracket, minus 3x squared and minus 6 plus 4, all that equals to 0. Now I can simplify this by first of all noticing that minus 3x squared and 3x squared cancel. Then by adding minus 4x plus 15x, I can write that 11x. And then by adding minus 20, minus 6, minus 26, plus 4 is minus 22. 11x minus 22 equals to 0. Solving this equation requires us to move minus 22 to the right hand side. So I get 11x equals to 22. And I divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown variable x, which is dividing both sides by 11 to get that x equals to 2. And that's the solution of this problem. For the next part of the question, I have to solve an algebraic equation involving fractions. So I have to notice that for this common denominator equals to 2 multiplied by x and multiplied by x plus 3. And that requires me to multiply all the terms of this equation by the common denominator. So let's do that. 2x and by x plus 3. We multiply it by the left hand side, so 5 divided by x plus 3 minus 1 over x. And we multiply it on the right hand side as well. 1 over 2 by 2x x plus 3. Okay, so let's start simplifying. We will have 5 multiplied by 2x. So we multiply 5 over x plus 3 by 2x x plus 3. So this term and this term cancel. So we have 5 multiplied by 2x. I'm just going to write this as is and simplify further later. For the next set, we have minus 1 over x. X under the line, x in the denominator will cancel with x in the common denominator. So we will end up with 2 minus 2 by x plus 3. And on the right hand side, we're going to end up with a little quadratic because now we have x plus 3 from the bracket. Okay, so that's that. Now let's simplify. Now we have 10x minus 2x minus 6 equals to x squared plus 3x. Bring everything together to the left hand side. So 10x minus 2x minus 6 minus x squared and minus 3x. By simplifying, that equals to 0. So let's simplify. We have terms with x squared. Terms with x, 10x minus 2x is 8x is 8x. Minus 3x is 5x. So let's put plus 5x. And terms with just the normal numbers, we have minus 6. So let's write that down. Minus 6 equals to 0. For the sake of simplicity, I'm going to multiply both sides by minus 1 to get rid of the negative coefficient from x squared. So that's leaving me with x squared plus 5x squared minus 5x and plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so now I just need to figure out a way to factorize this expression. So let's rewrite it as x squared minus 2x minus 3x and plus 6. So that helps me with putting it into groups. X squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. And now I can continue by with my factorization. X minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 x minus 3, which leaves me with x minus 2 as my first factor, x minus 3 as my second factor, all that equal to 0 obviously, equals to 0. And by the virtue of the fact that we are factorizing, so this can be only equal to 0 if either this bracket or this bracket is equal to 0, so x has to be either 2 or 3. And that's the end of this problem, and that's a good place to stop.